Going to be assembling the trucks. First step, of course, is to put on the latex glove so you don't get the oils and crap all over your model. I'm having a damn time today getting these things on. Oh, this sucks. Alright, good. Okay, close enough. Close enough. We're going to take the fuel tank, split it. There are clips on the ends. Okay, that way's front. He goes here. He goes here. Show the clips seat properly. Okay, there's the fuel tank. Should show all these gauges. Yeah, they're gauges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. One at a time. Drop the wheels back into their happy place. Now there are left and right to these things. What is going on with you? Looks like this one is bent. Okay, try again. This is the try to go in. That's the front. So wouldn't be him, it'd be this one here. Tricky, tricky. There it is. One side. Two, three. And then the clip. And it is this way. Rolls freely. Take our little screwdriver. I'm going to push wire back in the groove. Screwdriver, which is wire. Back in this groove. There's one truck. Second verse, same as the first. 1, 2, 3. This one goes this side here. No, goes on this side. 2, 3. Ah. Not fun. Hard to do when you're trying to film it too. Haha, first try. Other side. Side frame. Two. He's not seated there. Oh, it's backwards. Okay. Why? I was wondering why I wasn't happy. There. That rolls good. Which way does this go? That. Okay. I'm going to mount the front one first, just because I've got to trim the wheel sensor. We're going to trim it right where it intersects top of the frame. Ah. And then the truck. There we have it. Upside down, of course. There we are. Alright guys, that was my tutorial on the truck's breakdown and fuel tank paint. Have a good day.